Alright, it's Pablo here. We're testing out a new piece of equipment. It's the new bonzer. It's a really impressive piece of equipment. Not only you can actually see exactly what you're actually getting, but it has a total of how many jets? It has 6 jets? It has 7 jets. Really easy to maneuver up and down. It has 2 vacuum ports, right? 2 vacuum ports. And it holds the heat really good. And I think it's subtracting, well, let's say maybe a couple hours on the drying time. Yeah. Couple hours on the total drying time. It's a really, really nice piece of equipment. It has Tony Moran's seal of approval. Yes. Seal of approval here. Yes. And it has my seal of approval as well. So, really, really